What's up guys, and welcome back to another product review. So guys, 3 weeks ago I received this earbuds and used it for over 3 weeks. So in this video I will make a quick review of this earbuds and show whether it's worth buying or not, is it a good option to buy or not, and also showing you what comes with it. I will also show you how to pair it with your phone. So this earbuds will elevate your audio experience as it has high-res sound and powerful adaptive noise cancellation that blocks out up to 45 dB of noise, so you can enjoy making calls or listen to music. It also comes with hybrid active noise cancelling, LED digital display, 80-hour battery life, and IPX8 water resistance. It also uses Bluetooth 6, which is a major update focusing on centimeter accurate positioning, lower latency, and enhanced efficiency. This earbuds also comes with an app, so you can connect your earbuds to the app and control it right away from the app. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open this package and see what we have right here. Okay, this is the TOZO NC20 earbuds. These earbuds are designed to provide users with a high quality audio experience. The product is crafted with a precision and attention to detail. On the back here you can see some of the earbuds features like noise cancelling, LED display, and more. Okay, let's open it and see what we have inside. Okay, this is it. Here we have the charging cable, which uses Type-C cable. Here we have pair of ear tips. I think it comes with 6 pair of ear tips, which is cool. This will help you find the right fit for better comfort, stability, and improved passive noise isolation. So here we have also the user manual and quick guide. It has all the informations and instructions. Make sure to take a look at this. It has all the informations about this product and everything you need to know. And finally, here we have the TOZO wireless earbuds. Crafted quite well, the design is cool. It comes with LED display, so it can always keeps you informed of the remaining battery. So let's open this case and take a good look at the earbuds. So this is the earbuds. It's beautiful to fit your ear. Okay, the earbuds comes with the stickers, so make sure to remove it first in order to use it. Make sure to charge them for the first time. This case will show you the left and right earbuds percent. So here it comes with 6 ear tip sizes, includes 6 pairs of ear tips to help you find the right fit for better comfort, stability, and improved passive noise isolation. So you can try it to find the one you need. Okay, after charging them for a while, now let's pair it with my iPhone. So to pair it, just go to Bluetooth. You should find it with the name TOZO NC20. This is it. Okay, it's now connected. So I will try to open music and see how good is the sound. Okay, the sound is really good. I can hear the music from here. I will take the second earbud. I've disabled the music sound, and this is of course because of the copyright. Okay, the sound is really good. I can hear it from here without wearing the earbuds on my ear. It has high-res audio wireless for immersive sound equipped with LDAC Hi-Res audio wireless decoding technology, bringing studio quality high-res sound. Every note, vocal, and detail is crisp, clear, and true to the original recording. TOZO NC20 in-ear headphones features a custom 12mm driver with a super DLC diaphragm for exceptionally clear highs and dual magnets for rich, distortion-free bass, delivering a detailed yet relaxing listening experience that lasts for hours. Now let's try the Earbuds app and see what we can do with it. So this is the app. You can download it for free from the App Store. I've already downloaded it. Now let's open it and give it a try. Here, if you want, you can create an account or just skip it. I will skip it. Click OK. This is the app and this is the main interface. Now press add device to add the earbuds. This is it. Wait for it to be connected, and as you can see, it's now connected. The app will now show you some features of the earbuds. This earbuds has touch control, seamless switching between 2 devices, play as you wear, and personalized volume. Okay, the app will show you the earbuds and the battery percent of them. Here you can switch between AirTune, active noise cancellation, EQ, and sound mode. Here below you can discover more like AI function. Here you can see the community. Here you can discover more TOZO products. They have many amazing products to choose from, as you see. And finally, here you can see your account. Here you can go to EQ collection so you can create a new EQ or to use the available ones. Just click try out and you're good to go. You can also add it to favorites so you can access it later. Here you can find more recommended EQ. The TOZO Sound app provides extra features for each of the supported TOZO devices and enabling you to personalize and optimize your listening experience. My rate and final thoughts about TOZO NC20. After using it for over 3 weeks, I can say I really love TOZO products and I really appreciate the ability to save multiple custom EQ settings, which is very useful. So with the incredibly intelligent system, customizable EQ in the app, great sound and noise cancellation, long battery life, I'm giving the TOZO NC20 9 out of 10. It's a great one and I can recommend it to you. If you wanna buy it, you can get it from the download link below the video. And this is our video for today. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more amazing products reviews, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and peace out.